Hello guys, welcome to another new video from the best 5 mini 4K drone. In today's video, make your everyday work much easier. I think you may like these 4K drones. The product link given in the description below. Please let us know in the comments how you like the video. So let's start today's video without wasting time. And before you start, be sure subscribe to my channel and click on the bell, so you get a notification when upload new videos. Let's enjoy the video till the end. Mini Drone 4K Camera HD Foldable Quadcopter 1 Key Return FPV Follow Me RC Helicopter Portable Pocket Quadrocopter. LF606 RC Drone with 720p camera FPV Quadcopter Foldable RC Drones HD Altitude Hold Mini Drone. (2022) New V10 RC Mini Drone 4K HD Camera Wi-Fi FPV Drone Professional with Camera Charging RC Helicopter. XKJ Kentucky 908, Mini Drone 4K HD Camera Wi-Fi FPV Air Pressure Altitude Hold 1 Key Return 360 Rolling RC Helicopter. FIMIX8SE 2022 V2 Camera Drone 10km 4K Professional Quadcopter Camera RC Helicopter FPV 3-Axis Gimbal 4K Camera GPS RC Drone.